you can make money from that old car that's sitting in your garage. Because the world is now not looking for new resources. It's coming for the ones we've already used. Which means what looks like waste to you is actually valuable. Take steel, for example. It's in your car, your building, the bridges around you. And when it gets old, it does not become useless, it becomes raw material. Because steel can be recycled more than 50 times without losing strength. In our previous episodes, we explained why the steel industry needs to reduce its emissions. But today, we will tell you how your steel waste or scrap steel can help India. As our economy grows, we will need twice as much steel by 2030. But making steel the usual way, using coal to melt iron ore, creates a lot of carbon emissions. Using scrap steel instead of raw iron ore can reduce carbon emissions by 58% and save 72% of energy. You see, India is among the largest importers of scrap steel, but other nations are realizing the need for scrap steel to meet their own net zero goals. That's why they've started to secure it for themselves. In 2024, the UAE added a $109 per ton tax on exporting scrap, making it costlier to send it out. And by 2030, the exports from the European Union may also shrink by 23%. Now, India already has a lot of scrap, but a lot of this never reaches proper recycling systems. What we need is to bring steel from those old cars, demolished buildings, and industrial structures into recycling systems. The Indian government is already implementing policies like the National Steel Scrap Recycling Policy and the Vehicle Scrappage Policy to help bridge the supply and demand gap. Right now, nearly 12 million cars are eligible for scrapping under these initiatives, yet only 3% have been scrapped. The biggest challenge is how can India's iron and steel scrap system be made more organized and formalized? For this, India needs to ensure a proper system to collect, sort, and reuse metal waste instead of letting it go to landfill. And that's exactly what the India Green Steel Coalition is trying to fix through collaboration, innovation, and policy engagement. And eventually, to cut emissions by 30% by 2030. Now, here's how you can be a part of this. That old car lying in your garage, don't let it just sit there. Send it to a government-approved scrappage center. And when you buy steel, start asking how it was made. We've always heard reduce, reuse, recycle, and now it's time to actually do it and even make money from it. Share this video with someone who still has an old car parked in their garage.